Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Plenty of Fish account on your iPhones in 2020. Pretty easy to do. All you have to do is head over to your Plenty of Fish application, open that up, then just go over to your chats page and click on the three dots in the top right. And then you want to click on Safety and Help, and then just give it a second to load up. Once it loads, you want to go to the Frequently Asked Questions tab, so the second tab. And then you just want to scroll down until you see the option to right here, how to do I delete my Plenty of Fish account. So you have to just go to this link right here. So you just want to copy that link and just look it up and search web. And then you just want to go click on the first link. And then here, just let you know that you have to log into your accounts using your username and email, then click on sign in. So I'll go ahead and do that right now. And then once you're signed in, you just have to put your information right here. So your username, your password, the reason you're leaving, if you met someone, and just how many dates or whatever you've went on. So you just want to put in the information right here. So I'll go ahead and do that. And once you're done, you can just click on Delete My Plenty of Fish Account just on the bottom right here. And then it just lets you know that you have a minimum of 24 hours before you can delete your account. It's just because I just made this account right now, just before this video started. So for you, it would have deleted your account at this point on, but for me, I just have to wait 24 more hours before I can delete it. I really hope I was able to help you guys out with showing you how to delete your Plenty of Fish accounts on your iPhones. If this was helpful, be sure to leave a like on the video and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching.